Alright, silly people, here's the situation. I realized that in the last video, I was a little bit dramatic, uh, advertising that this may be the end of NA Physics, but I really don't think it is. Because about an hour after I recorded that video, I realized that I have a different avenue of solving physics problems that I've already kind of explored with the channel. Uh, and it's an avenue that does not involve the tablet that I'm frustrated with. So that is the one that I'm going to go down, and you can still expect daily uploads, I think, because we're going to be doing Mark Newman's computational physics textbook. That's right, NA Physics is now a coding channel, not so much a analytical physics problem channel as of right now. You may notice I'm in my office. I do have a chalkboard behind me, and while you may be able to read that and be satisfied with that, I personally would not be satisfied with that. I think it'd be really awkward to stand up there and solve physics problems and talk through them. Yeah, so I don't want to do that. Uh, instead, for the time being, you can consider, uh, let's say, what I can only call phase one of NA physics to be over. The remarkable two uh, phase is being revised right now, and we're moving into NA Physics Phase 1 and 4/9, where instead of making a lot of analytical physics videos, we're only going to be doing computational physics in Python. With kind of an old book, so it's kind of deprecated and useless, but it's what I use to learn Python. So it'll be fun for me, and if anybody out there is interested in learning Python, which I know that a lot of people are, especially in physics, I think it'll be quite useful for them. So stay tuned for that.